Well, I'm making dinner and I figure I might as well put this on video. I'm doing some keto style fried chicken. So what I have is I got some pork rinds. I got a sheet of wax paper. I'm just going to put some pork rinds on this. I'm going to crush that up. And right now I have bacon grease from that bacon that I made earlier on there. Good Moscato. I'm just gonna crunch this up. This is one of my favorite flavors, is this dry rub. I'm just gonna put some on here like so. I got some chicken that I thawed out and I put in cool water. So all I'm gonna do is just roll it around, it's already wet, into this right here. And I'm gonna place it in there. And I will continue to do this until I have enough in here. And I'm gonna turn this off because it's already hot enough. Don't need it to pop everywhere. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to let it cook on one side. And then I'm going to turn it over. And you can see how easy and fast this is. I added some more bacon grease because it wasn't up as high as I would like it, so I'm gonna let that cook. Alright, I just turned them over and we'll let them go for another 5 minutes. That was 10 minutes. Now the whole goal to make sure that it's at least 165 degrees internal temperature. Looks like the small ones at 165. Looks like it's almost 170, so the small ones are good. And it looks like the big ones are also. So there we go. We got some fried chicken. It's all keto. And I'm going to make the rest same way. Hope this helps. Have a great evening. Pork rinds, chicken. Oh, you probably want to know if it tastes good or not. It's hot. Good flavor. And really cheap. I think all the drumsticks here I got for like $2 at Sam's. That wasn't very expensive either. Great keto dinner. Thanks for watching. And a little secret, dust them with some different types of flavor before you serve them. That's amazing there. And I also have a little bit of garlic salt on. It's whatever you want. It's really good stuff. Fried chicken legs and bacon grease. Oh yeah, that fish season's off. So good.